Welcome to Section 3 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, Advanced YouTube Marketing Strategies. In this section, we'll talk about the YouTube Partner Program, live streaming with YouTube, smart ways to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, how to get YouTube videos ranked, using the YouTube trending feed for market research, and YouTube for developers. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. YouTube Partner Program. YouTube is a great platform for growth because it has something in store for everybody. And it is also a place where marketers, content creators, and developers can earn a good deal of money by way of video advertising revenue. The good thing is that YouTube has created a win-win situation for everyone involved because monetization has forced content creators as well as advertisers to only serve the best class of content possible. And audiences benefit from getting quality content. We already showed you how advertisers can take advantage of the YouTube platform to promote their videos. And now, we are going to show you how YouTube allows content creators and marketers to monetize the content that they upload to the platform. The YouTube Partner Program is what will enable you to earn ad revenue from showing ads on your video content. Anyone can upload videos to YouTube, and ads will be shown on basically all videos throughout the YouTube platform. But only those that sign up for the Partner Program can actually earn money from those ads. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is easy, but you will need to qualify. The first step is to check if you're from a country where the Partner Program is available. You can check this list by going to the YouTube Help Center and accessing the YouTube Partner Program menu. Follow the Introduction to the YouTube Partner Program link and then click on YouTube Partner Program Availability, where you will be able to check a list with all the countries where the Partner Program is available. Once you have made sure that you are eligible for monetization, go to YouTube's front page and click on your account icon on the top right corner and then enter the Creator Studio. From there, go to the Channel tab on the left side menu and then to the Status and Features section. Once there, look for the monetization box and click on Enable. You will need to follow a series of steps to apply for monetization. So let's show you all the way through. The first step is to read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms by clicking on Start. Read the YouTube Partner Program terms document, check the 3 agreement boxes, and then hit Accept. Now the second step is to sign up for AdSense, which is Google's ad program for publishers. You need to create a new AdSense account in order to be paid on the Partner Program. Let's begin by clicking on Start. You will be redirected to AdSense so you can link your channel to an existing AdSense account if you have one, or to create a new AdSense account if you don't have one. So click on Next to proceed. In the following screen, click on Sign In to log into your Google account, which you're going to use to set up your new AdSense account. The next step is to select the website for your AdSense account. Because you are going to use your YouTube videos to show AdSense ads, this website will be your channel's URL by default. So you will only need to select the language and then click on Save and Continue to proceed. Now you will need to enter your information. You will have to specify your country or territory, your time zone, your account type, your name and address, and your AdSense email preferences. Then click on Submit My Application. In the next step, verify your phone number by text message or voice call, and then read and accept the AdSense terms and conditions by reading the terms document, checking the Yes, I have read and accept the agreement box, and clicking on Accept. Okay, so now that your AdSense account request has been submitted, you'll have to set monetization preferences so you can specify what types of ads to run on your videos, so you can start making money as soon as your channel is approved for monetization. So click on Start to set this up. You can activate or deactivate monetization on all your future videos and to select what types of ads to show on your videos. Display ads will be shown by default and cannot be deactivated, but you could turn on or off overlay ads, sponsored cards, and skippable video ads. Make your selection and click on Save. And that's it. That is how you can join the YouTube Partner Program to start making plenty of ad revenue with your content and marketing videos. Keep in mind that your channel will need to reach a total of 10,000 public views in order to get reviewed by the monetization team to check that you're complying with YouTube's monetization policies.